I greet you and I wish you well. Eyima Idemudia brings you informative news from the crypto space on this channel, Bitcoin Pikin. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space in English, as in this video, in Hausa, in Yoruba, and in Igbo. You can also get the transcript of this video down below on the show more button at the bottom of this video, or from our website www.bitcoinpikin.com or our website www.eyimaidemudia.com. Bitcoin is trading over $8,300 this morning, up around $1,400 since this time last week. That is a gain of about 21%. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is at the verge of revival, as the big mommy crypto is historically the key indicator of that. Ethereum is looking healthier at around $515. That's a big increase of about $117 since last Monday, up a whopping 30%, you can imagine. So don't be worried, folks. Ethereum isn't dead, dying, or going to be killed, despite the fantasies of certain wishful competition. Bitcoin Cash is looking stronger at around $900, having gained over $200 since last week. That's a percentage spike of almost 20%. One of the best things Bitcoin Cash has going for it is the charisma and tireless effort of Bitcoin business pioneer and Bitcoin Cash advocate Roger Ver, also known as Bitcoin Jesus. Bitcoin Jesus Roger Ver has been conducting interviews and doing speaking engagements, as well as hammering debates opponents. Wow. Let's give credit where credit is due. Roger Ver, also known as Bitcoin Jesus, is a force to reckon with, and he has Bitcoin Cash on his back. Litecoin has been on the north side of $130 lately, but this Monday morning Litecoin is trading at about $158. That's a gain of over $13 since a week ago, up roughly 12%. Litecoin has a line payment system working for mass adoption as a payment and is the basis currency for the Abra trading app. As Abra grows its popularity, Litecoin price is expected to climb. See you in our next video. Bye bye.